Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I am an eBay reseller part-time, and by day I do the marketing for a software company. And today I am doing an unboxing of a fun box. So part of my inventory strategy is ThredUp boxes. The ThredUp boxes that I get, I list I sell on my channel first, I bring it here and give everyone here better prices. And then whatever doesn't sell here, I will put it for sale on my eBay store. So I'm gonna have my eBay store linked. My eBay store, by the way, is always linked in my profile, but I'm gonna have it linked here in this video description too. So anyway, I'm gonna be doing a fun box unboxing. It's been a while. I have been traveling a lot. You know, it's cold as bleep, bleep, bleep here in Minnesota. And so I was just in Florida, which was wonderful. I did a lot of sourcing. But now I am home, and it took me, I got home Saturday, and today is Thursday. It took me that long to get enough unpacked because I had 3 full suitcases of stuff. Anyway, I also got my hair done yesterday, so we cannot expect this hairdo to be every day because this is this is what she did with my hair. I love the way she curled it. It's kind of like beachy curls. And she did more of a wolf cut this time, so yay for that. And I'm wearing a J. Crew necklace and this shirt that I don't even know. I've already worn that, I think, once. But all right, first I'm going to go and open. I won a drawing of my good friend Misty over at Skeeter Jones. Oh my gosh. She did a drawing for a bunch of things, and I won a Skeeter Jones t-shirt. And I know that Skeeter Jones is her dog, and I love dogs so much. I can't tell you how much I love dogs. So I'm super stoked. Here it is. Okay, I'm gonna open this first because it's been sitting here calling my name, and I have not opened it yet. And so it's been remarkable restraint that I've had. Okay, here it is. Oh my gosh. Oh, by the way, I think it's either her or her daughter that designed this. And then they make, oh my gosh, I gotta look at it first. Let's see. Oh, that is so cute. Look at this. Oh my heavens. That is so cute. So I won this in one of her drawings. I think it was her 600 subscriber. I think it was 6. Anyway, it was a number of subscriber drawings. So, oh my gosh, this is my kind of thing. Exactly. This is right up my alley. I mean, look at that. So not only is the dog so cute, but look at how it's painted so cutely with the colors behind it. So check out Misty. She is amazing she is an artist and does pottery. She upcycles jewelry. She sells jewelry. She has stores where she sells things too, and she sells on her channel as well. So kind of like she's a reseller like I am too. So anyway, her channel will be linked in my description. Misty, thank you so much. You probably knew I was just going to love this, and I do love it. I absolutely love it. So thank you so much, Misty. All right. Now we're going to get to the fun box. For anyone who might not know, a fun box is an item that is made up of things that people sent into ThredUp, but typically it's an item ThredUp doesn't sell. They sell socks, bras, other things. By the way, all the things like that they sell are new. They never sell, a used bra or used socks, which is good. Thank God for that, because that would be terrible. And other things, you never know. It could be a book, sunglasses, hair pieces. You get 10 items for $34, plus shipping and tax for me comes out to $50. So 10 items for $50, so it's $5 the cost per item. Okay. Gotta fight with it a little bit first, All right. Fun box, 10 items. All right, I ordered this one on when? January 15th. So not too long ago. All right, I'm going to give you the first. Well, I kind of got the first look, but you can have a first look. There's some crazy stuff in there. I see some lingerie. I see some beaded bag type thing. But let's start with this. Poppy Cranberry Fizz, I think. I mean, it looks like a key ring, doesn't it? But I think it's a dog toy. I don't know. It's not, no, maybe it's not a dog toy. It's a key ring. It's a Christmas key ring for Poppy. I don't know if you've ever tried Poppy. It's a drink. It's supposed to be good for you. I think it's got like something good for your gut. I don't know. I've tried it. I did like it actually, but it's a key ring. It's really cute. So, okay, see, there's random stuff in these boxes. I'm telling you, they're random. You never know what you're going to get. By the way, I'm in a different place filming today because someone may or may not have gotten a lot of jewelry and it's spread all over my table. All right, this is adorable. This is a mini USB cord, and I believe it's got the little, it's the old iPhone connector, the solid one. I think it's up to like 12 or something like that, iPhone 12. And then you got this mini USB. So it's a mini USB to iPhone, I believe. It's cute. It's got strawberry. Oh, this is also Poppy. This must have come with it too. It must have been some promotion they had going on. So that's really cute. All right. Pretty cool. Kind of weird. Anyway, all right. Let's go and see what's next. Next up is this very boho, very hippie looking canvas bag with some really cute embroidery beading on there. It's a hobo style bag. And then inside of it is another bag. What? The other bag is very, very cute. Look at this cute tiny little thing. I think it's faux leather. And I don't see any branding on it, but it's really cute. Let me see if I can see what the brand is. 100%. Oh, it is leather. It's real leather. Huh. Okay. I did not know that. And I don't see a brand anymore, but that's real leather. It's cute. And the strap goes like that, so you could wear it around your waist, or you could, do one of these things across your body. That's really, really cute. I think this is cuter than the other one. But they're both, it depends on what you like. I don't know about this one. I don't know anything about it. So anyway, they'll both be for sale, of course. Okay, craziness. All right, next up is this hat. I like that hat, and it's gonna be 20 below this weekend. I'm keeping this hat, so I like it. It's a cable knit hat. Okay, here's another hat. Let's see. All right, here's another hat with extra pom-pom. Oh, you can put interchangeable pom-pom on there. Oh, it snaps off. Neat. And then you can put the other one on there. Okay, this is brand new. And this will be for sale. You can wear this color or this color. So yeah, pretty cool. All right. Next up is something super cute. Oh, why do they always have to be size small? Why? Edicted. Edicted. It is a bralette. No padding, no shaping, no boning. It's just a piece of stretchy lingerie, size small. Edicted. I have ordered from that store before. I think I bought a sweater from that website one time because it had a cute lobster picture on it. All right, this is a size small. It's adorable. Edicted. I don't know that name. Maybe you do. If you do, there's light padding. Really light padding. So, okay, lingerie, Edicted. There we go. All right. Next up is, ooh, that's cute. This is, let's see, Alfani. It's an Alfani purse strap. Look how cute this is. It's silver tone. Certainly not going to be real silver, but it's Alfani, and it's, well, or is it a belt? I think it's a belt because it does not have a clip on both sides. And so this is just clips here, and you can clip it here to here, and I'll put measurements in here for you. But it's a metal belt. Super cute. Okay, what's next? All right, we're going to do this. Oh, golly. Okay. We're going to do these cute socks. Catherine Cole, your signature style. Size 10 to 13. Knee socks. They're really cute. and I'm keeping them. Now, mind you, you're probably going, thought you were always hot. Yeah, I know. But these, I can go for a long walk if I wear these, and I won't be freezing in the 10 below weather. So there we go. I like them. All right, I don't even know what to show you next. I'm going to go with this. This thing. What is it? It looks like a sock, but it's not. It's a little bag. Pink, dark pink, and regular pink. There's no branding I can see. I think it's a little makeup bag. Excuse me, makeup bag. Zips across the top, looks brand new. No tags or anything, but it's fabric material. Oh, it's cute. This box is very random. Pink, it's kind of a pink and pastel theme, I guess. All right, next up are these cuter than cute headbands. Very, very cute. Oh, wow. There's the red velvet one that's just adorable. And it's Lily Sadoe. Oh my gosh, it's brand new. It doesn't look like it has anywhere at all. Oh, there's a piece of fuzz. Really, really cute. And the other one is, oh my gosh. Look at this. I love this. This is cute. But these don't stay on my head. I guess I have too thin of hair or something. I don't know. But that's really cute. I'll probably sell these two together. Lily Sadoe is a designer name, by the way. And so that they usually do pretty well. All right, next up is only a couple things left, actually. Okay, this looks like a radish. That is a pair of radish earrings made out of beads. Weird. Okay, radish earrings. They're cute, but a little weird. Is that a radish? I would say that's a radish, wouldn't you? Yeah. Okay. So far, nothing I'm like, oh my god. Yeah, nothing yet, but that's okay. I'm still opening something, so it's all good. Okay, that's adorable. One size fits most. That is so cute. Look at that. And look at this backside. All right, that is some racy and wonderful. A racy and wonderful, kind of like a, what's this? One fits most. Okay, queen. One fits most queen. It says 165 pounds to 275 pounds. Yeah, 165 to 275 pounds. So it's queen size, and one size fits most, and it's just so cute. Isn't that just so cute? I love it. That will be for sale. Super cute. And we got one more thing, which is just to stay in line with the fact that this is a crazy box. This is, I don't know, it looks like a necklace. It's real stones. I guess, I don't know what kind. I'll have to use my tester to see. Here are the stones. There's lots of stones in there. They're cold to the touch, so at least some of them to most of them are probably real. You could probably do twice, but I'm not going to do that right now. So, yeah. So this is, surprised they didn't put that in a jewelry box, but you know. All right. This was not my best box, but there's some cute stuff in here that I'm going to keep. These two things I'm keeping. So, we're going to just go over again. I'm going to look at that leather bag after I'm done doing the video and see if I can figure out if there's a brand on there. But usually if you don't see a brand prominently, there's not. We've got the necklace. We've got the you know, lingerie. One size fits most, which is adorable. These radish earrings, if they're not radishes, let me know. They might be turnips. I don't know. Yeah, that's not a radish, that's a turnip. Okay, Lily Sadoe. This cute silver, just lost the box. This cute silver belt. This little cosmetic bag. This bralette. Hat with interchangeable pom-poms. This bag right here. It almost looks like Anthropologie. You know what I've seen? But I don't see any tag in it. I don't know. And then you've got these two poppy things. And of course, last but not least, which I think is my favorite item in this whole box, is this cute mini camera bag. So cute. So that is it. All right. If you like my content, I would so love you to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000. As of this filming, I'm at 901, and subscribing is free. And I do mostly unboxings, but I sometimes do hauls, and I sometimes do what's sold. I haven't done one of those in a while, but and I'm thinking about adding some new things to my channel as well. And so I'm definitely not going away. But anyway, please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you don't mind. It would really help me. So thank you so much for watching. And by the way, $6 shipping for as many things as you want to buy from this video. Send me an email to mysteffstyle@gmail.com in order to buy anything. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.